This is Emu's egg. Wow.
Give me break.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kelsangs world. So today my entire family we've come to Really. It's a place where there's a huge swimming pool, like for adults and as well as for kids. So we've come here to swim as well as spend some quality family time. So yeah, let's go. We just reached. That's my dad's car. We are here, my aunt, my mom, my grandma. Hello. Let's go. Ajo. My dad. There's a huge swimming pool for adults. It's around 12 feet deep. My grandfather, my aunt, my uncle, dad, Karma. Oh, sorry, Mama. Karma, we miss you. Karma, I love you. Miss you, banana.
Karma, I love you, miss you.
So this is the place. This is the swimming pool. So after swimming, we have come to Pudong Farm, which is like a resort, and there are like many animal sanctuaries also there, like bird sanctuary and stuff. Then there's a swimming pool, and then there's a place to eat. I'll show you guys as well. So this is the car that we came in, and that's Dad. After swimming, like my entire back is like sunburned, but never mind, we had a really good time. Madhub, swimming कसरी गर्यो? छिटो देखाइदियो. कसरी? That's the place where we'll be sitting and eating. But right now we are going down to explore. Sunburned sunburned bhako ani
Crocodile fish.
goldfish
Goldfish.
Oh, goldfish. Bird park and conference hall. That's the conference hall. Birds देख्यो? Dark Brahma, black, golden, deep red, Chrysolophus pictus. Hi birdie! Hi birdie!
Go. Yeah. Blue ticket.
La?
Blue ticket.
Blue. It seems like they just had a baby. Red polish cap chicken.
यो दुलोमा ऊ किरा पस्दैछ ऊ
Male and female.
इसको couple है सर.
Mama ajale. Their eggs are like this big. I'll show you guys later. And it's sold for 700 each. I got bitten by a mosquito. It's raining. Bye. For sale. Hi. It's raining cats and dogs. This is the view. क्या खाने? क्या खाने? Birthday lunch. Post birthday lunch. I had told you earlier that the egg of emo is like really big, right? So this is the one. Emo konda. Okay, this is emo's egg and it's sold for 700 rupees each. Thumbs up ki down. Khal, माथि देखाओ देखाओ मलाई देखे न. Thumbs up. गर न.
Angle.
Wow. Mitto, thumbs up ki down. We are done with our lunch. Empty plates. Satisfied stomach. Now we will go for go-karting, I believe, but it's still raining. I don't know if they'll allow us, but we'll try our best to go for go-karting. Mother, son.
Hi.
You guys can see the red rashes out here, all sunburnt, like my back is fully burnt if you guys can see. So now we've come for go-karting. Mummy's already done this before and I also want to try, so let's see.
Our next one.
All good.
Coffee.
Be careful, Mom.
चलाको ओस्ट पहिल्यै चलाइसकेको
खासै ठुलो जग्गा मजा आउँथ्यो है